Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to the beginners tutorial series. We are on the F major chord. The F major chord. We want to learn how is this F major chord formed. So F is actually an introduction to bar chords. So what do we call a bar chord? We realize that we call this part the notes. Let me call that. Yeah. So this part is called the nut. So it's actually holding the strings, just like these frets, the metals for each fret form. So when I press here, the string is supposed to lie on that metal so that it cuts off the distance, the distance between the bridge here, so that we can get a more tighter sound. So tightening the sound means you are increasing the key, the notes, so you are going further to higher octaves. So a bar chord, that means we are going to do what this guy is doing. So we've been playing C. So if we move further, if you want to play C somewhere here, you realize that there are some notes that are open that need to be barred, that need to be taken care of here. So we usually play the C sharp like this. So I'll bar this. So that's it for bar. That's the introduction for bar. So we are not focusing on the C bar for now. So let's look at the F. So the F, just like the C, so you just bring the two fingers, the index and the middle and the ring fingers down. So middle finger is on the third string, second fret, ring finger is on the fourth string, third fret. If I don't plug the first string, I'm playing F. Because if I include the first string, I've included an E note which is not found in the F major scale, isn't it? It's found in the F major scale, although it's the T, that's the seventh note. But we are looking for F major. That means you have to play both this C and the F. So the index finger is going to take care of these two before you bring these guys. So try and maybe put the side a bit sideways of the finger like this, then you bring these guys. So that's the F. Another way is to bring the ring finger here. We'll study it when we study the E major. So that's the F. You can keep on practicing F. There are so many variations in any of these chords. So if you are able to play this F, you can go and play C. Because we are playing the same F, so from henceforth we call it the F shape. So any bar chord that has this shape, I call it the F shape. So that's it for the F chord. And yeah, don't be afraid if you want to play the guitar. Don't rely on the couple all the time. We use it to transpose, but there are some keys that you definitely need. There are some chords that you can't hide away from them. You can't run away from them. You still have to learn the bar chords. So starting from the F is a good start. Thank you for watching this video this far, and leave in the comment section if there's anything that I left out and you would like me to clarify, and share, like, subscribe, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.